Welcome back once more. Ngasi ekhoina nenagadoi class 12 ki chapter number 7 oirambadai chapter number 6 oiraba evolution hariba chapter aduni aduda mamangi video da nenakibadu ki makha yengsi hoju phawde ekhoina nenagrisi phanyam nenakre mathangi topic na kari haige haraga what are the evidences for evolution haibani tasenadi sida hariba evolution si organic evolution yuari ni akoi chemical evolution neinaba matek ama yaw riduna loigare there is life ihan hana karam haina lakhi haiba loigare life lakraba matung da life forms mayamam lai haidi living organism lakraba matung da living organism makhal makhal mayamam lakiba pambi animal akoi gi ha monera protista phanjai planti animal yana chingba ade animal da hair makhal makhal mayam lai dana ko si mayam sing si karam haina lakhi haibagi evidence evidence that evolution of life forms has indeed taken place on earth has come from many quarters. So evidence mayamam lehay ni ahan bada fossils ki evidence ba koina kai ko gi hai matamda paleontological evidence and hai so paleontology hai targadi fossils ki matang da naina ba subject hai bani fossils are remains of hard parts of life forms found in rocks sima khangbi rani ko fossil lai di kai no adu ki definition pire karam makhal gi rock no se paikha da he hangba yawi adu da sida lai re tu rocks form sediments sida ke koi khangba yare sedimentary rock haidoni amko si or khini amko yengsi rocks form sediments and a cross section of earth's crust indicates the arrangement of sediments one above the other during the long history of earth yang koi prithvi ji da laibak ji sum tawdare khalaji mathak mathak ka makha ga karam bana hena ahan oiramgani hai ki obviously makha sin ahan oitabani so si tawda ba matamda makha da phangniba jiba khara dum phangi hai tare fossil je ko adu mathakta phangba fossil ga makha da phangba fossil ga ji manade mathakta phangiba jiba khara makha da suphang phangde makha da phangba jiba du di mathakta zum phangba yawe aduna takpudi evolution je course of time ji da mathang manau naina lakhi da zum hai ini ko so different aged rock sediments contain fossils of different life forms who probably died during the formation of the particular sediment. So, yengo jiba khara sire laibak na najan gare jiba du da laibak tu changi doini koi laikhom changi bai duni aduga jiba du organic oibani na patlani pumani adubu changi ba laikhom du kanjallamani kanjallaga leiram gadoini nungi type ta form tawraga nungla mani nungni laibak na form tawgiba nung karmai form to gi bahidi jibadu ki manung da sangramni na jibadu ki shape form du maintain to le hui dana ko aduni fossil size example ma haira bada se leiba am leire tharoyam nappe adu mata ta leiba am na jan gare tharoi jodi obviously degradable oi bini loi degrade toromani mai maku nungku budi yaw de ko adu bo sai leiba tu kanjal lamani leiba to kanjal mata tharoi du nap ki bagi mong da shape am ko ta le ni dana sahi me am le phange tharoi na teba uri do yare ko tharoi gi fossils ko web ko aduni some of them appear similar to modern organisms meaning khange ko huju de leiba jiba ga mamang gi phong ga manaba taraba adu gumba jiba sing je koina kai maming ko gyaraga ai shai ji mutha chara ai jara ke I repeat fossilized or structure maga huju current form da leiba jiba maga masak manaba taraba madugi jiba sing du ba koina kai ko gyaraga noning rajani maming je living fossil ko so living fossil lai ji jibu du hingi habenate fossil du hingi habenate living fossil lai fossil ju nate huju lai riba jibu du ni karamba jiba magi fossilized structure ga current structure ga manariba midinate ko they represent extinct organisms so some of them appear similar to sina topa moijagra they represent extinct organism fossil khadi extinct example dinosaurs a study of fossils in different sedimentary layers sedimentary fossils form to rock sedimentary rock layers indicates the geological period in which they existed natrane se prithvi gi kayam luba jaga da dinosaur gi fossils fange hasi adugi jaga du da laiba leibak singdu sahi kya gi mamang da form to gi leibak no thiga laga pe dinosaur je prithvi gi adugi matam du da leirammi dinosaur ji leirammi ana prove to rini habe wani the study showed that lives from varied over time, and certain life forms are restricted to certain geological time span. So dinosaur the particular time span khar da hingba jibo yi bo jil laitre dana, and after that particular sedimentary rock mathak ki jaga da dinosaur ki fossil mo phangdre ba. Fossil phangda means dinosaur amu siraktre hai ni, siraktre means laitre hai ne ba. Amai torgani fossils are the evidence that kariye organic evolution thoki en khoigi lai thajaba mina ga di hairam doine ba ko ai lai na khoi jiba sing je form tawi ana thajaba mi sing na di hairam doini dinosaur se lai na create torami adu lam hendna lo ha to khre ga na ko adu mathang da no jiba create tore hairam ba yai adu khoi science na yate dana ko. Do you remember how the age of fossils are calculated? Physics ta khangamani, chemistry ta khangamani, carbon dating gain like that ko almai tor khangmani. Do you recollect the method of radioactive hoima high level shida dating and the principles behind the procedure? Yeah, physics khana biru ro kai chapter do no yabudu sibo. So see physics ju chemistry ju aning te oro mani king biru ro. Sina han be evidence hoigre. So notebook ta or like ta shan bi yai. Number 1 evidence harga paleontological evidence. Ani subada embryological evidence. Embryological evidence ki matang chida yamna maming chatpa scientist ani hongi maming yaurokani amadi ingiro Ernst Haeckel ko mana kari putoki khangdaba yate matangda Carl Ernst von Baer haibama Ernst ko ngawni von Baer dang hairasu yare sinani suba scientist kauni sinani suba evidence ni ko embryological evidence ajina sina kari hai yangsi embryological support for evolution was proposed by Ernst Haeckel based upon the observation of certain features during embryonic stage common to all vertebrates. They are absent in adult. Okay, hai no arga. Hai sida picture mo charake yang biro. Yengo diagram sida mathak to laiba jiba gai se amaga yeng bada chap manadra si embryonic stage masak manai ni adubu tha khenarak pai matungina development ki tha khenarak pai matungina masak tu sum olai ini eba aduna haibadi vertebrates mayam se embryonic stage ta masak jab manar mi gari gino thikala kan dadi ancestor manabagi ni haibe wani ancestor manabagi ni haibe wan aduni ko diagram se no uli je. For example, the embryos of all vertebrates including human develop a row of sizinadra gill slit just behind the head. Ako embryo de oro me gill slits guys. Embryo. But it is a functional organ only in fish and not found in any other adult vertebrates. Fish ta sina bani adult vertebrates yobo yorok tre. Nare ko sina takpadi akoi ki embryo da kari gi nonga de owo pot kare yor mi do. Ancestor ka nga ancestor ka mani hai ne ba pekada sumai lai khalo ne hangoi angang si hangoi na angang oi ngai da kari gi no nga mali je na question ji gi meaning am kai jar ka me english ta mo hajara di why do tadpoles look like fishes aduni answer da kari nga gi ancestor ga hangoi gi ancestor ga manabagi ni yan hai ga doi ba. Anyway, however yare picture yare however this proposal was disapproved on careful study by von Baer. Von Baer na charhe nawaluk di haram me ko. He noted that embryos never pass to the adult stages of other animals. Sima haram me. Sina khangbiro. Yaraba. So Haeckel na haram ba yamna nungai ba sentence ama ju leibani akoi like ta di yaudra ba ko. Haeckel na haram ba. Loom leye recapitulation theory ka kaina ko. Ontogeny recapitulates phylogeny haidana yare adu dang khangbiyu adu Haeckel na haram mena sine ani su evidence evidence ta comparative anatomy and morphology haidi jiva amaga anatomy compare to wa morphology compare to matam da khangmanga me kari khangmanga me shows similarities and differences among organisms of today and those that existed years ago. Chimatang chidani koi homologous organ, analogous organ lakadoi jiva ani kari manai ana thijanma matamda moigi ancestor se manaramni haidoibo jiva ani kari khenai yenga kanda moigi ancestor se khenaramni haidoibo si matang sida yam nungai ba interpretation khara lei muni yengbiu. Such similarities can be interpreted to understand whether common ancestors were shared or not. So jiba ni gi ancestors mana gi bra mana da bra yengdoi ni. Example yam cham na harba se mi ga yong gi ancestor mana ba gi probability ga mi ga waiku ga ancestor mana ba gi probability ga waiku ga mi man ge yore. So probability A ga probability B ga kanane hena wangam gani hai tar ga di obviously A ne helam ne ba because mi ga yong ga compare to matam da manaba mayam yawe ba similarities ne hele ba whereas mi ga waiku ga yeng matam da di similarities na he na yame hai ba. Anyway kari kari le yeng si ko. For example whales, bats, cheetah and human mammals loinamak share similarities in the pattern of bones of forelimbs. Yeng bio diagram yaro mani. So sigi diagram si piya ga explain ta mo ta ai personal ne yam na live example amo ne piya ga explain to jar ke na na sada pali ba na khut se ta yengu ne na khong du zum ta yengu ne ekta muni yang jalo hai be wa na te da akoi gi khut se khutsa hai ba part am lei ko khutsa hai ba part khubak and khutsa hand and finger adui mathang da koi gi hand hai ba jaga am lei re I have the hand and finger hai re sorry palm and finger lei re ko matang hand lei re forearm kawi mathang da na koi gi palm bom hai bam lei re sina upper arm hai x-ray lo kan da khangabra upper arm da saru um yaw tibia ko yang forearm da ani yaw radius ko bang ko ulna ko bang ko adigi di palm da finger da mayam am yaw samna re si lo matam da udoi je saru ama ani mayam khong gi jo du ngai khwang de gi na a khongbi bok je x-ray lo kan da thai jaga chi da saru ama yare ko adagi di ni de gi na khong bo a khong pak pho kai ko ge Manipuri de swai ji bo o khong jeng hai ta bra khang dre adu saru ani yawi tibia hai bang ga fibula hai bang ga bibula ga ma mani ko an bagi thai gi duna femur ko wi so femur lai re tibia fibula lai re adu ga khong pak da saru ma ma mo adi yengo khong ga khut ga se basic plan ama iman da manadra saru yawi mong se kari gi no sini kari gi no hai kan ji da koi let's go back when we were pregnant akoi pregnant oi matam hai bana te ko akoi ji mamai manung yaw ring matam do amtang ning chi ne akoi ji mamai manung yaw ring da zygote cell ma khak cell khara cell mayam aduda gastrula ko wi stage ama da koi embryonic layer ahum yaw gi ba ning sing biram ni ko mapan di yaw bu buna ectoderm mayai de yaw bu buna mesoderm manung de yaw bu buna endoderm aduda yauraba sel ama khakta dagi olakri neva ai khut ai khong ai khangna ti noi chuni ko simply put our khut and khong have a common embryonic origin adugini basic plan manari basic plan manari now khut ki mathau se kaino paiba khupang thaba hoini khong ki mathau di kaino chatpa khongpang ko khongpa football ko bai wari ni ke dorage function mana bra mana da bra mana de da mana de ko now origin di mana function di mana de amuk yang asi sangi makong x-ray ka pa je sangi makong x-ray ka pa kan da jo koi khange ba sarudo ama ani mayam yawe ba hui gi ju hodong gi ju uchi gi ju bats gi ju whales gi ju cheetah gi ju sina tak pa di human gi hen ga leka origin mana ba dauna sangi makong hui gi makong akoi gi khong akoi gi limbs manari sin ta ko di akoi mayam gi ancestor je manaram ga ni haibe wane sangi khonga akoi gi khonga function mana bro manai kai no akoi ju chanam ni mo ju chanam ni akoi ju chenam ni mo ju chenam ni mo ju ko ri ni ka san ko yo de do mana to hel de yo ki dro mo jang jen di do san na chang di do kai no wai ra kani na ro ko ra kani na ro ani mak ni na ko function mana ye ba adunu takpodi yengo embryonic origin di mana ba function di manaram ba yai esin sankong akoi khong manaram da ba yai esin akoi khut akoi khong adu mo organ ne koi na homologous organ hai khangdaba khara na zum khan ba yawe ba ko homologous bo adi function manani gain homologous bo adi function manaroi gain adu am honate function da nati homologous khai ri je origin da khai bane ba so function manaram ba yai manaram da ba yai ko biranu yeshi larik ta kari hari now kauni jiba amada yawba homologous organ je serial homology ena kawe ko akoi gi khut and akoi gi khong je serial homology gi example ni ai sum panbira mane now yeshi those though these four limbs perform different function to function manaroi hari sidana uraba in these animals they have similar anatomical structure all of them have humerus radius ulna carpels metacarpels and phalanges saru gai mami ni ko akoi gi khut ki saru gai do tu pamong gi saru khudang gi saru ani je ko carpel na khujeng metacarpel na khubak phalanges argana khucha phalanges ke to mami digit anasu ko we anyway hence in these animals the same structure develop along different directions due to adaptation to different needs mana tawru riba ma thau gi matung ina adaptation thoki bani dana akoi gi khut sangi khut yo khut adi mamang thong khong do four limbs to function manadi do mai tawru ba ma thau di matung ina mana gi dam ni sini masi bo khone kai ko gi araga yembio ai diagram pakta ba mi chara ke swai jida swai mu tat kra ge sire to common origin or tar ga su mana tawru ba ma thau di matung ina adaptation thoki hai masi bu ne ko na divergent evolution hai ji adu sum structure sum na ko na homologous oi structure ko parikha da di noi gi tv yum da leiba tv do kan di high definition nga ngai ra dai ne ko high definition tv na ning biro ko high di ke heba high definition hai bana tre koi di ha homologous divergent hai bane ko makha da kari hari yeng se homology indicates common ancestry meaning khambira mani ko other examples are vertebrate ki heart vertebrate ki brain like the explanation yaudre pambi da su homologous organ layeba akone class 11 da morphology of flowering plants have a chapter to da yaubani hoji pudi aur maroi rationalize of syllabus da yaudra bani stem modification ka kain root modification ka kain anta khale yone alu ge khone sari ba part to kari part of the alu no stem ne ba ko alu ge khone pari chari akoine chari ba part to stem ni adumai to dana stem modification mayamam leyeba moi ge to pulap homologous organ kawe amugi yengse bougainvillea hare ba pambi is the pan ba thorn bougainvillea di kauni yum da gayam thana ba school gi gate yam na hoba cherei hai ba flower du ni ko ai uchara ke tu sida lai re cherei so cherei da yaw paliba tingkhang duga kukurbita hare di nogi kukurbits party adu da paliba tendril animak auxiliary bird atane ko represent homology so homology is based on divergent evolution yadin ko sumai to an analogy hai bam zulai hai refers to a situation exactly opposite di kariye yo sai di common ancestor lai gi bare hanto ti common ancestor lai roi ancestor manada ba maya mama mana lai riba jaga do manabana maram moidana common function tor pai one like usi eksu paininge masa pale sarang su paininge masa pali wings of butterfly and birds they look alike adubu anatomically manade function manatar ga su aduna anatomy manadaba parts sing ne koina analogous organ hai function di managadaba masai homologous organ di function manarasu yai manadrasu yai but origin managadaba analogous organ dana origin manaroi function di adum managadaw anto yengone sarangi masadu x-ray kapakan saru su yaudi game taroi but uche ki masadi saru yawi dana ko adun tawdi origin manadi hai ne ba hence analogous structure ji di yengo manada ba mayamam na manaba punjal ini dana ko masi bokena convergent evolution kawi there is different structures evolving for the same function and having similarity other examples of analogy are the eyes of octopus and of mammals or the flippers of penguins and dolphins. One can say that it is the similar habitat that has resulted in selection of similar adaptive features in different groups of organisms but towards the same function. Example pambi da sumpire sweet potato kogi alu athum bai banate mangra angang moduni ko. It is actually a root modification ni. And potato is na alu do adun stem modification ni is another example for analogy. Sena common function ni sweet potato zu storage of food. Tau na magi magtani. Hasbo da khoina ne na krisi evidence number 3 yogre. Kauni khoina ne nari parasi evidence for organic evolution ni. Ahum suba akhoi evidence di biochemical similarities hai. Biochemical evidence. Yam nungai khra jani siju. Every jiva da yaw chemical gai se. Sab mane ba do. Particular gene mana puthoka da protein je mane ba. Kari gino na thijalo da kan da di mamang ai jiva mayam je ancestor common oi ba ma da gi loi olak pai ni in highway wani da. So in the same line of argument, similarities in proteins and gene performing a given function among diverse organisms give clues to common ancestry. Sigi biochemical similarities point to the same shared ancestry as structural similarities among diverse organisms. So masina mari suba evidence. So see your diagram ko explain to zero ke aina sai hai matang da singdara ka heudre yenga dum khanbiro. Manga sub evidence am yaure hujik kaino harga evidence by artificial selection hai ji manga sub da kari hai ba evidence by artificial selection hai di mina selection to bana maram hoidana jiba se apha phabo nga ta loi howe abo se san yumda loinari sanje hujik poda loina rei ba san jingji apha ba nga ta ne ba khal khala go loi hori ji fattaba sangom yam puthokta mapang kandaba laina na ba adu dum hatok piramani ta chela mane ba hojboda khoina thanari ba phawuse khwaidagi pharaba phaw gai ne ba sathok yamna pharaba aphabasing aphaba variety ka aduni da sigi matang da lakadoi se man has bred selected plants and animals for agriculture horticulture sport or security ga hui gi wari ni ko sport ka di sagol gumbai wari ni ko horticulture adi lei thabai wari ni ko agriculture adi myam lei re. Man has domesticated many wild animals and crops. This intensive breeding program has created breeds that differ from other breeds. Example dog, noning dog. Hui si myam lei dai ne. Breed myam lei foreign breed वगैरह country breed वगैरह moi myam se loi namak dog ngata ne ba. Scientific names up mane ba. But masakti manadi dana. Adu gi wani ko hai ri se. But still are of the same group. It is argued that if within hundreds of years, Mina Pauba, another hui makal same amibani. Same amagagi ancestor amadagi. Nature is in a million of years, the Kamaita Romani Kalo than Adutia. And a pretty rivasi mamze, ancestor Managi is a mean same rivasi as them Kangyare. Mina wa no hui am semi. Hui the Huiman, the Yaw of me. I quit hiding a roiba. She hui not yet. Hui near that hiding a roiba, and hui not yet a high hole, and I that. Anyway, Taruk sub evidence the Yangtze. Another interesting observation supporting evolution by natural selection comes from England. The Gilai Taruk sub evidence. 1850s ki mamang the Lairamba Moth party ema Mairan Bihaido. Like whom you mamado nikwa. So in a collection of moth made in 1850s before industrialization set in, it was observed that there were more white winged moth on trees than dark winged or melanized moth. Moth makalani leba. Ay moth ki maming izarake Biston betularia ko bane. Biston betularia hariba Mairan bise makalani le. Amuba party Mudaba party, Angoba party. Sigi Morsina de Kangabra, a koigi ugi, bark the tongue a galevase. Angobagajidi, Usiagna Udeva, Amubagaji Ueva. Aduna Amubagaji Usiana Loita Toki the na 1850s ki mamang the later Mort say, I am an Angoboy, Amuba yam the Himbangamde, Lady Lako Amuba yam de Heba. However, 1920 or Pumatam Dadi, there is industrialization hore England da industry mayam nikale, Maiku mayam putue, Maiku mayam do Ugi Maku the Napana Maramoidana, Ugi Maku Muba hore, London da. London the Nico City at Obagida. Adu Dicadore, Nasagi Morto, Biston Betuleria che, Ango Baduka Amubaduka Napamatamda, Uchiexina, Ango Inganga Namure, Amubadum Udre. 1920 Matunda di Amubunum Naira Levinemi, London Jida. So there were more dark winds mote in the same area. That is, the proportion was reversed. Now, the explanation put forth for this observation was that predators will spot a moth against a contrasting background. During post-industrialization period, the tree trunks become dark due to industrial smoke and soots. Under this condition, the white-winged moth did not survive due to predators. Dark-winged or melanized moth survived. Before industrialization set in, thick growth of almost white-colored lichen covered the tree. In that background, the white-winged moth survived. Now, industrialization tawdringaydadi nalami nalingaydadi lichen leibang amebako adugini lichen gi machuga ngasai moth ki machuga managi bagini ngasai uche khaina or magi predator na sabang amdi haido. But the dark color moths were picked out by the predators. Do you know that lichens can be used as an industrial pollution indicator? Yes. They will not grow in areas that are polluted, like hence, moths that were able to camouflage themselves, hide in the background, survived. This understanding is supported by the fact that in areas where industrialization did not occur, industry rural area, the count of the melaring moth was low. In a mixed population, those that can adapt better adapt Moina survive the way and increase in population size. Adumai tawdana no variant is completely wiped out. Aduna takpadi hojbodo jiba no mayam ama lai reise jiba makhal mayam lai reise yaraba pura siga yoram mayai but ayambada makhal ani ni ahum loi lai ni haibe wanida adu loina maksina variety mayam duna prithibi sida jiba makhal mayam yam lai ini ana haibe gi wanida sigi evidence ba khone kai ko gi matamda evidence by natural selection haibani ko sije koina latest example of organic evolution haraga khangnai ji kawarno sigi matang sida yamna phajaba example am su yauri kona tin hidak kang hidak sai gi matang sina evolution by anthropogenic activity hairani tare suboi do warmane ko yengo excess use of herbicides pesticides has only resulted in selection of resistant varieties in a much lesser time scale. This is also true for microbes against which we employ antibiotics or drugs against eukaryotic cells or organisms. Hence, resistant cells are appearing in a time scale of months or years and not centuries. These are examples of evolution. Now, this also tells us that evolution is not a directed process in the sense of determinism. It is a stochastic process based on chance event in nature and chance mutation in organism. So, see, anishida akoina evolution ji depend to habani. And samja laisi am phajaba example am pige to bani. Koyi hojikan se kang yam se kang leina su yam nai hojikan hai ji sahi chupani adum. So kang sikpa phanana ba haidana koina ja ki kang hidak thai le koina pi ngai dadi tortoise kana le rami hojikti tortoise chanadre. Adagidi akoina khaga chaurkanda khoi good night thokpa hore ja thoe hojik sunoi good night mosquito coil do khangam nida good night mosquito coil bu thabada kang si barane si dre da hojik gojila na to yad re gojila ba hojik sijal lagtre da adune kang e khana ya jin bai moi yum di gojila thai ngak sang musi ka ngatang changor go as mangye mai de kalli haina ramaga wing pai thoki do kang gi manglak pai type to kauni there are two types of kang haini Godzilla da siba kang and Godzilla da mangba kang sida ba kang aduma sida ba kang do ni hingau doisi yare ko adu ne koina anthropogenic action na thohan ba selection haisi ngasi di matang sai solution jage matang video da matang gi topic si purka lagsage thank you very much.